And that's what this film festival is about.
I want to wish a happy Diwali to all those who are celebrating the Festival of Lights here in the United States and around the world.
It may also be the only film festival where one of the entrants has his tooth loose.
Attacks on an Istanbul airport, a restaurant in Bangladesh, Bastille Day celebrations in a church in France, and a music festival in Germany.
During a reception at a festival, I watched an impromptu open mic where my peers read poetry, healing both themselves and others with their words.